What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, it does look as though it is still in a little bit of a downtrend right now, with Bitcoin obviously being quite heavily correlated to Bitcoin currently. We can see quite clearly here that Verasity is in a bit of a downtrend, looking something like this, where we've just been rolling over and rolling over. Essentially throughout the entirety of November here, we basically had a little bit of a correction here, and then with Bitcoin rolling over on the 9th or the 10th of November, you can see since then we've had a little bit of something like this, a little bit of an ABC correction. Now we're looking potentially for that sweep of that low again before the bounce. We do think the bounce is quite likely at this point. When we look at the hourly time frame, for example, you can see there are a lot of bullish divergences here. We got a big bullish divergence here where we got under the first bounce, and you can see we come back down, we try and retest that previous swing high as support, which was the 5.7 all-time high we saw for a long time here, which is obviously where we pulled our fib from. You can see this is our zero fib line here. We've got the bullish divergence here. We come back, we try and test support, and we're currently just chopping up in and around this area right now, looking for a bit of support again. But you can see here again another big bullish divergence. You can also see on the histogram the momentum to the downside weakening significantly, and we're probably expecting to see a bounce for Verasity pretty damn soon on our hourly time frame here. Judging by this, you can see here we've obviously been quite clearly making lower lows and lower highs, apart from this big anomalous huge green candle that we saw here. Obviously we thought that we were going to see a nice pickup here for Verasity in the market, but obviously Bitcoin dragged everything down. But you can see here, it's quite clear that we're in a quite a decent downtrend with these lower lows and lower highs. Apart from this one, which was fairly anomalous, another lower low, a lower high. And we're basically waiting to see when we're going to make a similar low or even a higher low, so that we can see basically this downtrend be broken and Verasity coming back up and breaking out of this trend. If we get up above that 6.3 cent level there and head up towards that 6.7 cent level that we were at before and potentially back test, then we're obviously going to be probably out of the downtrend and potentially having a nice little move to the upside if that's the case. But you can see here, obviously Verasity been having a really nice move recently, just kept on going up and up and up and up, and we're having a bit more of a significant correction this time. You can see it quite clearly that we're coming down and we're sweeping some of these levels down here where we're looking for a bit of support. Obviously chopped it sideways for a while in a range, rolled over, back tested here, we got that bounce to the upside, but obviously this wasn't enough with Bitcoin rolling over as well. So we come back down, retesting the swing low here around 5.3 cents of this previous swing low area here, where we did get a very decent bounce here, by the way. A huge bounce in and around this level here, looking something like this. Get the bounce, and now hopefully we're looking to basically break that downtrend, retest this previous swing high, all-time high resistance as support that we saw from the all-time high literally months ago now in May. Was it April or May time before the big rollover and crash then? And if we can do this and obviously come back up to the upside, we're going to be looking at a very nice little pump for Verasity quite soon. So short-term price predictions then, looking at the hourly time frame here. If we do roll over, we would be expecting a double bottom back test of this level here around 5.3 cents. But at this point, it's probably going to be very likely we're going to see massive bullish divergences. If we go lower here especially, we're probably going to have a huge bullish divergence looking something like this, with the RSI making higher lows but price action making lower lows. And we could see a massive bounce to the upside with the bears getting very greedy at this point. Obviously, if we bounce to the upside from here as well, we are targeting this 6.7 cent previous all-time high level to break the downtrend, break out of this little channel that we're trading in, back test, and then essentially move to the upside, getting back on track towards that 10 cent 127 extension of the Fibonacci, which we do think is coming. Obviously, we've been bearish for the past few weeks, but this isn't going to last forever, and sooner or later we are going to have a very nice move to the upside for Verasity. And then, as we always say, we really do think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity is very likely in our opinion, considering the sheer amount of bullish fundamentals. They're obviously the low market cap, potentially getting listed on Binance. They're getting such a crazy amount of use as well, Verasity. And not to mention, we've seen in the past just how parabolic it can get. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.